What is the neuroscience of belief, brain, and narratives? Have you ever wondered how your beliefs shape your view of the world? The neuroscience of belief offers fascinating answers. Beliefs are not just abstract ideas, they are mental representations created by our brains. These representations link sensory information with our personal experiences, emotions, and predictions about how we will behave in the future. When we encounter an external event or idea, our brain begins the process of belief formation. This starts with perceiving the information, interpreting its meaning, and then evaluating it critically. The brain decides whether to accept or reject this information as a belief. This process involves several brain areas, including those responsible for understanding social cues, abstract reasoning, and imagery. Key regions play significant roles in this process. The medial prefrontal cortex and anterior cingulate cortex help evaluate information while integrating emotional and motivational signals. The dorsal medial frontal cortex is crucial for evaluating beliefs and managing working memory. The anterior insula is important for combining cognitive and emotional inputs, especially when it comes to deeply held beliefs. Additionally, subcortical areas like the ventral striatum and amygdala process rewards and emotions, which influence how we reinforce or update our beliefs. Beliefs are dynamic, not static. They change based on feedback and prediction errors, which occur when outcomes differ from what we expected. This allows our brains to adjust beliefs based on new evidence. Social context, emotional states, and personal relevance also influence this process. From a secular perspective, understanding the neuroscience of belief shows that all beliefs, including religious ones, are natural functions of the brain. They are shaped by evolutionary processes related to social cognition, language, and reasoning. This view does not require accepting any supernatural claims. Instead, it sees beliefs as products of brain activity that can be studied scientifically. Narratives, or stories, significantly influence our beliefs. They provide coherent frameworks that help our brains interpret experiences and predict outcomes. This preference for coherent narratives explains why certain beliefs persist, even without empirical evidence. These narratives fulfill psychological and social needs. This understanding encourages critical thinking and awareness of how beliefs form and change. It supports approaches that focus on evidence-based reasoning and cognitive reflection. By recognizing when beliefs are influenced more by emotions or social factors than by facts, individuals can make more informed decisions. The neuroscience of belief reveals that beliefs arise from brain systems that integrate perception, emotion, social cognition, and language. These processes create narratives that help us make sense of our world. From a secular viewpoint, this emphasizes that belief is a natural brain function subject to scientific inquiry rather than a mystical or purely faith-based phenomenon.